no! My letter cookies are all mixed up. Can you help me find the right one? Which letter makes the J sound? J, J. Is it B? B goes ba, ba. No. Is it J? J, J. Yes! J is for jellyfish and jump rope. J, J. Which letter makes the P, P sound? Is it Z? Z goes Z, Z. No. Is it T? T, T. No. Is it P? P, P. Yes, it's P. P is for pumpkin and peanut. P, P. Which letter makes the W sound? Is it W? W. Yes, it's W. W is for walrus and wagon. W. Which letter makes the sound? Is it C? K, K. No. Is it F? F, F. No. Is it M? M. Yes. M is for monkey and male. M. Which letter makes the S sound? Is it B? B, B. No. Is it T? T, T. No. Is it S? S, S. Yes. S is for skunk and snail. S, S. Which letter makes the sound? Is it D? D, D. No. Is it X? X, X. No. Is it U? Yes. U is for unicorn and umbrella. Thanks for helping me find the right cookies. I'll see you soon.
Peekaboo pond.